vibes. What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day, and as you guys can tell, the Marauder has changed a bit. What do you guys think? Matte black with a bit of gloss. Use plastidip. If you guys saw from a recent video, we did a matte black for now for Halloween. I have some content I specifically want to record here in this mall during nighttime, and I needed it to be black for that. And what do you guys think? I'm gonna get out of here because people have been staring. I had my tripod out for a while with my phone just recording. So let's see what happens. Let's go find another spot where we can just like park the bike and just talk. Just book it. Got my phone, got my tripod, got everything also. Let's just go. Let's just go. Don't want to get kicked out of here. Honestly, I was just here, literally, 2 hours ago to hit the gym. Cause the gym I go to is in this mall too. There we go, guys. That's more like it. That's more like it. Man, cold days are ahead of us now. Cold days are ahead of us. Glass is fogging up even with the pin lock, vents open. Oh shit, that's a dope Mustang. Anyways, yeah, it looks like out of recording because it changed the look on the bike, man. Looks dope. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. What do you think of it? You guys may have commented on the video. That video was a bit rushed. There's a few imperfections on it, but that's alright. I'll just fix those up another day when I pick up another can of dip whenever I'm at Home Depot. Oh my god, it's actually cold. It's time to go to Raven Moto and get out some more gear from there. Probably some fall winter gear. Just keep me warm, you know? Like gloves that aren't perforated. Some nice warm fall spring gloves. Those would be good. And maybe another hoodie. I need another hoodie. I've had this one for like a year and a half now. Or a year, honestly, and it's amazing. The finish on this thing is amazing. It is a tad on the expensive side, but the quality is there, so it's worth the money. So yeah, if you guys want to get some of this stuff, here's my shameless plug. Go on to ravenmoto.co and use code MOTOMARAUDER at checkout for 10% off your entire purchase. I am a affiliate partner with them, so whenever you purchase with my code, I get a kickback as well. So if you do that, you get some sweet gear at a lower price, you save some money, and it helps out me and the channel and helps out the Marauder. So yeah, if you want, head on over to ravenmoto.co, use code MOTOMARAUDER for 10% off your entire purchase. Okay, that's my shameless plug for Raven Moto. Alright, let's see, where shall we go from here? Let's look at that view, man. Holy hell, it's amazing. And it's cold. I need more layers on. Holy hell, I need more layers on. I have a thermal long sleeve compression shirt and the Raven Moto hoodie. And the wind chill right now is like 9 degrees Celsius outside. Oh, it's cold right now. It's definitely going to get more warm as the day gets on. It's like 8 a.m. right now, so I need something else to keep me warm. See me in the mirror. Let's go. I'm looking badass. Man, I love the bike being matte black. It's honestly really amazing. It fits my aesthetic. But I'm only keeping it for a month or two for Halloween and all that. It's not perfect. The dip wasn't perfect. One of the cans failed on me, as you guys saw in the other video. But hey, got the job done. And it looks amazing. honestly, I like it. It's not perfect, but in pictures, videos, and all that, it gets the job done. And that's the thing we do right now, content creation, baby. Grow on the IG. I think that's not a cop. I thought that was a cop. Going with IG, YouTube. Gonna get monetized before the end of the year. That's the plan right now. Get the page monetized before the end of the year, so we can bring on some more fun stuff onto the channel. That's the goal. So I'm grinding my gears and trying to work the cogs in my head to pump out any entertaining content that I can on any of the vehicles I currently have. Because I found I'm picking up a couple new ones in 2025, but it would help if this page was monetized, so I could sort of like help ease into those, you know. The Marauder is definitely here. I'm never getting rid of this. It's like, even if I were to purchase another vehicle, like another bike, I probably wouldn't sell this unless I absolutely have to and there's no other means for me to like get the other bike. Then I would, because I need to grow. Like, as much as I love it, it's also a thing I've been working towards growing. This page, my social media pages, are things I've been working towards growing for the last almost 6 years. In November, it's going to be 6 years of being on YouTube. Starting off with the S197 2014 Mustang V6, and working all my way up through all the other vehicles, and until we got to this bike, which pretty much blew up the channel. Or I just brute forced my way in by uploading so much stuff on the Marauder. And now I'm at a happy point. My goal for the end of the year was 1,500 subs and the 4,000 watch hours, which seems like it's going to be attainable if I get you guys' help. The house is amazing. So let's see where it takes us, you know. E46, I'm thinking I'm going to do stuff to it again for Vlogmas, for December daily vlogs. I'm thinking of doing stuff to that because I don't think any other vehicle at the time will be worth building up right now. F-150 is still on sale. Haven't really got rid of it. It has some engine issues, so we might just scrap it, to be honest. The Audi, well, that's my brother's. Well, that's mine and my brother's, we shared, but it's mainly his. So he's building that up. My brother wants to build it up the way he wants to, so I'm not going to intervene with that. I'm just going to like record for him, record his installs and all that. So what's left for me is the Marauder, which can't really ride that much in the snow. Unless I like get off-road snow tires for this. Don't think that's possible. And I'm going to be picking up another bike. I've already pretty much determined the next bike, what it's going to be. I think I've mentioned it a couple times, so I don't know if it's the surprise or not, but I'm not going to say it in case I'd never really mentioned it. I don't want to go back and look through the hundreds of videos, like motovlogs and shorts regarding the Marauder and talking about bikes, to try and find if I mention it for like 2 seconds on like what the next bike is. I'm pretty sure I have mentioned it before, but just in case, you know. Good volume. Let me just park right here. Honestly, parking it in different spots like this is also my way to also like take tons of pictures of it. So inevitably, you can use them also as thumbnails for the channel. For the channel, you know? Thumbnails for the channel. And if you guys also noticed, I removed the heat wrap that was on here. The metallic, the heat wrap. I removed that to go with the look of the matte black with the chrome. But you guys, what do you think of that? Because to be honest, I really enjoy it like this. Well, go this way. Sunshine on it, you know? The sunshine. Honestly, it's amazing, guys. Just straight up amazing. Let's see if I can get like portraits. Brought the tripod along with me, which is honestly clutch, dude. Like straight up, guys, this tripod is clutch. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Because I honestly really do like it. Looks amazing. Only thing is, see, there's a bit of a scratching there. I think that's from my knee being there with the pants. And there's a bit of fade over here. I didn't really respray that much, but that can all be like sprayed over. I can always spray over it. It is matte black, so it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. The major thing was with the first can we used from Home Depot, the can was busted on the top, so there's overspray on the top here, and a bit of overspray right here on the fender, not the fender or whatever it's called, but that's mainly the only overspray that there is. The tank came out phenomenal except for this one spot right here and on the badge. The small spot on the badge, but after spraying it over and over again, like on top, adding layers on top of it, that sort of went away. So honestly, it's amazing. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It is a bit short, but if I keep on talking, I'm gonna go on and on and on about the bike. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I apologize for not uploading yesterday. I was gonna upload something, but I never really ended up getting a chance to record it. Stuff that happened at home, and yeah, I never really got a chance to do that. So here we are. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.